welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well and happy Halloween. So today I really wanted to do a Halloween look for you. I'm going to do a fallen angel look, and I found a look that I was like really inspired by. Her name is Gabrielle, but it's got like 2 X's in the middle. If you've seen her, she's amazing. Go follow her. She's like, oh my god, like she's so talented. So I got some wings and I also have some gemstones, so I want to do just a look inspired by that. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows, and I never normally do my eyebrows on camera, but I will today, in with my dark brown dip brow from Anastasia. You guys can see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to start from the bottom, making like a soft line and like pushing it up, pushing the product up, like to make a little bit of a line there. Okay, so I just did my brows and now I'm going to go in with a concealer, just the same Tarte Shape Tape with like a concealer brush, and I'm just going to go underneath my brow and just sculpt and make it look a bit highlighted in a way. I might even just do a little bit behind. Okay, so I just did one of the smoky eyes off camera. Feels like forever I've done a smoky eye. Now I'm going to show you on this eye what I did. Clientele, a Makeup by Giles palette. So I'm going to use these 2 shades. It's in the crease. What I'm going to do is pretty much just like pack this in the crease and go back and forth. Even hitting your nose, because we're going to blend it with the contour. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Soft Glam palette and I'm going to go into Rustic, which is a brown. Blend that in the crease as well. Because with black smoky eyes you always have like that transition of brown to maybe even a tan or an orange colour, as you can tell. And it just looks nicely blended. And it's okay if you're flicking it out here, it just makes it look nicely blended. Now I'm just using a flat shader brush. This one's just a Zoeva one. The numbers have rubbed off. But I'm just going to squirt a little bit of Fix Plus. And I'm going to go in with the black in the Anastasia palette. It's pretty dark, like, which I like. And I'm just going to pat this on the lid. And to get it all up in there, and just creeping it up a little bit as you go, as you're blending it. People would use like a liquid. You can use a cream and then you blend it with a black eyeshadow, but I don't know, yeah, something about a wet shadow looks even more intense as well. With the black again, with a fluffy brush this time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the inner corner lightly, like I'm literally doing this so lightly, blending the outside. I'm just going to blend the outside a little bit more, especially around here. I feel like this is the best smoky eye I've ever done on myself. I really am proud of myself right now. Sometimes, you know how you have good days and bad days with makeup? That's like, I'm glad today is going perfectly. I'm with that brown in I just swallowed eyeshadow. Ugh. I'm just going to go in with that brown and go on top of that black. 40 grand final today, and I don't give a F about football. I mean, good on you if you're into it, but yeah, it's just not my thing. So everyone's celebrating that right now, and I'm just like, yep, well, I'm celebrating Halloween. This Artist Couture, this is very fancy highlighter, and it's like a white, and this has lasted me freaking ages. Go in, and what I'm going to do is I'm just pulling my brow up so I can get it right in there. Look at that, that's incredible. It's got to be popping. Going in with my jet liner. And I'm just going to drag it. There we go. So I'm going to go do the other one on the other side and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that my wings are done, I'm going to stick on some lashes. These are the Tati lashes in TL6. But first I'm going to do my mascara actually. I'm going to use the Kevin Aquan curling mascara. I like to do this. Gives it a good shape. And I just plop it on. These are so fluffy, these lashes. I have these like thingy, but there was like a little cushiony thing in there and I've lost it, and now I'm like, god damn, like why? Why me? Why? Why you gotta do this? I need you a cushion. Holy moly. I have caterpillars on my eyes. 2 primers today. I'm going to use the Becca Brighten and Blur primer, and I'm going to use my Dior one, which I use in every video. And of course the foundation I'm going to use is the Marc Jacobs. It's full coverage, but it's great. And this pimple decided to be here today, rent-free, which I'm not happy about. I'm going to use just my beauty blender. I'll start off with my sponge and blend. Going with that foundation. I'm using like a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to lightly go around my brow. What the hell is that? No. Oh my god. I'm going to go in with 2 concealers. I'm going to do Fair Light Neutral with Tarte, and I'm going to go in with my Jouer Chiffon Concealer. So I'm just going to go in. There was a thunderstorm last night, and like there was like a massive like bang, and oh my god, my soul left my body. I was asleep, but far out. Oh my god, I've never jump scared with anything really in my like nightmares and stuff. I never, you know, but that scared the absolute shit out of me. Booth face, and I'm just gonna go underneath. Might do the sides of my nose. Yeah, I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. And I'm going to go in with my sponge. And I'm just going to go in and just set that concealer. And this is like really brightening too, which is what I want. I really wanted a sculpted look. Here's my Shade and Light palette. It's like a contour. It's got a banana shade and a brown shade. This one's called Shadow Play. And I'm going to go in with like a chiseled brush like this. And I'm just going to stamp into that. Tap off the excess. And then I'm just going to set that contour with that shade. And I can be extra sculpted today. The jawline. With my favourite Global Glow by MAC. This Zoeva brush, the things come off, so I don't know what number it is. I think it just came in like a kit. So I'm just going to put that on. Yeah. Cheeky Bronze by MAC as well. I'm going to go in with the same brush and just go in and just pat that on. I'm using the coconut one. I love the smell of this. So I'm just going to spray my face. And I'm just going to get my sponge and just push those powders together. Is going with that same highlight we used on the brow. I'm going to use that on my cheekbones. Look at that. How amazing is that? I might even put a little bit on my collarbone. So I'm just gonna... Now she has like teardrops with rhinestones. I have some rhinestones here I'm going to use. They're just the black ones. So I'm going to go off camera and do one eye, and then I'll show you how I do it on the other. Okay, so I just did one off camera. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go underneath my brow. Underneath my eye with that brown. I went in with a black. So I went in with the Nior out of the Soft Glam palette. And just a flat brush, and I just place this underneath the eye, kind of like mark out where you're going to put the tears, like that. And then what I like to do is I'm going to go in with, I have this like, it's like a sharp fluffy brush there. And I'm just literally, doesn't have to be neat. I had like little tears going down, so I'm just going to use that same brush, less product, dragging that down, and then you can get your beauty blender, and if it's too harsh, go over the top of that. Like a flat brush that we use to pack on the black. I'm going to wet it. This is going to intensify that black. So I'm just going to push that black underneath. And I'm literally like just pushing so the brush gives it a little bit of texture. And stick them to the end, like so. And then I get the medium ones and I stick them throughout Fix Plus, and I'm going to go in with that highlight and push it in the inner corner. I'm going to use a cream liner in the underneath. I'm going to use the KKW one, and I'm just going to go waterline. It's just a brown liner. I'm just going to overdraw. I'm going to go in with MAC Myth. Yeah. Okay, so the really cool bit is I got this necklace, but it's not really a necklace, it's a stick-on necklace. I got this from Doll Skill. Yeah, I just thought it would go really well with this look, so maybe like that. How cool does that look though? I'm in love. Put my eye contacts in. I've got white blind, they're called the blinding eye contacts. I got them off Mesmerize Eyes. I got them off there, so I'm going to go put these in and then I'll come back. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I can't see shit right now. My wings are so big I can't even walk through doors. I have to go sideways. This thing keeps falling off, so I'm ready to take this off right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this fallen angel makeup tutorial. Please come and follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And comment what you're going to do for your Halloween costume. I love hearing new ideas and like what people dress up as. It's just, Halloween is my favourite time of the year. So I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.